Required reading. Close the deal. 120 checklists for sales success and contagious. Why things catch on. Um, Two books that I want you to complete as soon as you can. As soon as you get finished with this module, go ahead and order both of these books. The Obviously the first book, Close the Deal, on the left is about sales and how to close clients. And this is going to be probably the most important book once you have your business set up and everything going and you marketing and stuff like that. The next part of the next struggle you're going to have after your phone starts ringing is, okay, how do I close clients? And I'm no sales expert. We continually study, read, learn, um, more and more as much as we can about sales. So what we're studying right now and what we're getting the most out of right now is this book here, Close the Deal. And it's based on some Sandler sales strategies and stuff like that. But once you get it, you'll understand where I'm coming from. You'll see how it's great, how it's awesome, and some of the things that he touches on as far as, like, getting to defining the pain, building rapport, things like that will allow you to implement those things into your business and allow you to grow and close more sales. Because is, believe it or not, the easy part is getting the phone ring. The hard part is turning those callers into clients. Um, that's that's going to be your biggest pay when you're able to turn the callers into clients. And once you master that strategy or that skill, you'll really benefit. And we're in the process of learning as much as we can about we understand how to get the phone ringing. We know how to put the racks out. We know how to go out here and network and build up calls and get the marketing going. But it's like, okay, once people start calling, then how do we become better closers? So this book here is probably the best book that you're going to find on the topic, based on not only my suggestion, but if you go to study like the Sandler Institute and the Sandler's training and stuff like that, you'll see why we have this book in this program. And then you have on the right, Contagious. This book is it's a little different than the sales training, but what it talks about more is marketing and how to make things, why things catch on. Like, how do you make your business something that everyone is going to talk about? It talks about branding, marketing, different strategies, and different ways of thinking about doing business and engaging the public as a business owner and an entrepreneur. It was an awesome book. I've read it multiple times. I love it. Every time I read it, it's I get something new out of it. It's just awesome to see, how different entrepreneurs and great leaders in the business world think. And it's just something that another book that we suggest that you all read. And all the required reading on these courses are, our way of, just providing you with everything that we know to give you as a new entrepreneur to, be successful. And that's what we're here for, and that's what we're trying to, make sure you do. So from module 1 to these two books here, if you go through this stuff, do everything, engage us along the way for inspiration, information, motivation, and whatever you need us for through the process. And we're confident that you'll come out on the other side as a home care business owner, and not just a business owner, but just a more well-rounded business person and person in general. Because the time and the effort that it takes that you're going to have to put into building your business, the energy that you're going to put forth, it's going to build character, and it's going to create an environment in your life that is, it's going to build you up as a person, and it's going to build the people up around you and push the wrong people away from you. So you're going to get a lot of benefit from this if you just do what we were asking you to do. Just do what you know is right. Do the things that have to be done. Don't take no for an answer, and don't give up. That's the number one thing. Even if it's not going as fast as you can, if it's not happening over, in a time frame that you expected, don't give up. Keep pushing. Never quit. And that's how you'll end up in the place that you want to be as far as becoming a business owner. And never stop learning. And never, like, this is just the first investment. I don't know how many people ever bought programs prior to this program. Never stop investing in yourself. Like, we have this program, and we made it as inexpensive as possible. Like, I have peers and colleagues are saying, like, it's very, very inexpensive, man. People might not even take it serious because it's so expensive. But I mean, it's so inexpensive. But we're trying to reach the people who struggle day to day with income. So we can reach you guys and get you the information that you need. That the people with more money, they have access to this information because they can afford it, and they have friends and family members who can afford it. So they're it's topics of discussion that they're already having. But you know certain levels of the world and different communities just don't have access to certain things. So we wanted to make it as accessible as possible. But I'm just saying that to say, even if you do run across things that you see value, don't hesitate to invest in it. Because never look at an investment in yourself as a bill or an expense or a waste of money. Because one thing, you cannot unlearn something. So once you have it, it's yours. Once you learn it, it's yours. Someone can never take that from you. And if you see things out here in this world that are you seem it is going to add value to your life, to your family, to your business, and to your goals, make the necessary sacrifices and invest in yourself, because nobody else will. Nobody else is going to invest in you the way that you will. So get these books, read them, come back, let us know what you think, and we're going to keep on getting to it.